An invitation letter is a letter drafting by the individual who's inviting you to Canada. This is usually needed for a visitor visa. However, an invitation letter is not a mandatory piece of document. So if you don't have someone to invite you to Canada, don't feel that you cannot apply for a visitor visa. Part of the invitation letter, if you do have someone that can invite you, is to demonstrate where you're going to be residing. Who is this individual that you're going to be residing with? What is that individual's income or assets to take care of you while you're residing with that individual? Are they going to be providing food, accommodation, shelter, things like this? Include that, and some reference to some identity documents such as a driver's license, a SIN number, a health card number, or a passport page, things like this to show that this is a bona fide Canadian citizen or permanent resident that's trying to invite you to Canada. The other thing, obviously, it does not necessarily have to be a Canadian that invites you. It could be someone on a work permit or a study permit. So the invitation letter is essentially drafted by someone, whether it be an individual or a company, that invites someone. Obviously, if it's a company inviting you and it's for business reasons, then you don't want to apply for a visitor visa, you want to apply for a business visitor visa. The list of documents pertaining to a visitor visa and a business visitor visa are different. So make sure you review the videos that we've done on business visitor visa if that applies to you. With the visitor invitation letter, you should also include what we call a purpose travel letter, which is an addition document where you yourself, the person who's being invited, writes a letter to say, yes, I acknowledge that John Smith is going to be the one providing my accommodations, my food, my shelters, and so forth. Here's his contact information. I'll be staying with him or her for about 2 weeks and so forth. So it's almost like you're acknowledging that invitation letter. Now, that always makes the application a little bit stronger. It's not mandatory, but it's something that we recommend. So again, an invitation letter is drafted by the person who's inviting you, and you should write a letter as the person who's being invited, a purpose of travel letter to show your purpose and who you'll be residing, where you're going to go, who you're going to be seeing, what you're going to be visiting, how long you're going to be staying, and so forth. I hope this video helped in regards to how to draft an invitation letter and what to include for a visitor visa application. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you. Until next time.